Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande. I would like to welcome you all in this video. That video is regarding the medicinal herbs, and we are discussing the Dravya Guna Shlok of medicinal herbs. This is today's session is part 3. Try to understand there are a lot of herbs or the Ayurvedic medicinal herbs which we regularly use in our medical practice. So we must understand the synonyms and especially properties and functions of each plant. So these videos are maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts may be there. Not exactly 8 parts. There may be 5, 6 parts. But today's is a third part of not only shlok recitation, but there is a discussion. So kindly note, don't worry about the Sanskrit. Dr. Professor Deshpande is explaining the utility of the different medicinal herbs in a very simple language and very precise, in which diseases we can use and why we can use and which are the products available. So let us take the enjoyment of understanding Ayurvedic medicinal herbs presented by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, 2 post-graduations. So this is my personal website, ayurvedicfriend.com. This is my mobile number and WhatsApp number, 922681060. And you can always mail me, Professor Deshpande @gmail.com. You can suggest me many things. Then you can ask me personal health advice. You can ask me for the personal or online teaching programs. You can ask me about the palmistry. So Professor Deshpande is having a good team of doctors, good team of teachers, and he is serving the society in a different ways. So let us move further. Next slide, I am going to present you Dravya Guna Shlok of herbs. These herbs can be used in a single herbal tablet. Ghanavati, write down this name. Ghanavati are available of Chaitanya Pharmaceuticals. And these Ghanavatis are the concentrated extract of the decoction. Concentrated extract of decoction. So it is very easy to take those tablets, carry those tablets in your office, in your schools, in your business, and only using herbs is the simplest thing for our health. Of course, anything as a medicine you want to use, please consult your doctor. This is disclaimer. Dr. Deshpande is never propagating self-medication. If you want advice, contact nearby your family physician or contact Professor Deshpande. But as a home remedy, some simple medicines you can consume as a single herbal Ghanavati. Ghanavati are available concentrated extracts. Okay? These are not only shlok recitation. So this is useful for second year BAMS, Dravya Guna Vijnana subject. But this is all these my videos, part 1 to part 6 of Dravya Guna Shlok recitation with discussion are helpful for first, second, third, fourth year BAMS students, teachers and professors, doctors of Ayurveda, and also the layman. Indirectly, it will help. This PPT includes the important shlokas of medicinal herbs. Part 3, this is part 3. Please check part 1 and part 2. Useful for Ayurvedic students, teachers, and practitioners. Shlok includes synonyms, properties, and indications or functions. Shlokas are like mathematical or chemical formulae which gives vast information in only few lines. Shlok recitation, learning by heart, is useful in medical practice, definitely. Most important shlokas are given with Sandhi Vigraha. That is easy to read, easy to understand the meaning, and easy to remember. Sandhi Vigraha is not commonly given in any books. Professor Deshpande is insisting that shlokas should be with Sandhi Vigraha. Okay, plants are arranged alphabetically. So part 1 from A to say C, then part B, part 3. So alphabetically arrangement is there. Many times in the template, I have mentioned the name of the plants. Today, part 1 and part 1, plant number 1 to 25. Part B from 26 to 35. And today, I am starting plant number 36. So I will scroll my screen. Remember, I am scrolling my screen. Enjoy. Okay. I am coming to plant number Jyotishmati. Jyotishmati. This I have completed in part 2. This is the end of part 2. Now, come on. Jambu. Jambu is Eugenia jambulana. Jambu fruit. This is the regularly we are eating this fruit. Jambu, jamun. Okay. Paryay, synonyms. Falendra Kachita Nandi Raja Jambu Mahaphala Tatha Surabhi Patrach Mahajambuhu Apismruta Bhava Prakash. All these shlokas are from Bhava Prakash Nighantu. Remember this word Nighantu. Nighantu is a collection of different herbs with properties and functions. Nighantu. Don't forget, Bhava Prakash is the name of scientist. Amadi or Amradi group. Gunakarma, Rajajambu Phalam Swadu, Vishtambi, Guru Rochanam. So this is a sweet in taste, a little bit astringent. Vishtambi, problem. It can cause constipation if you eat lot of jambu, phala or the fruit. It is heavy to digest. It can increase your appetite. But so, whoever the people having very strong Agni, digestive fire, they better way go for this jambu. Other Kapha dominant people, already overweight people, take care. Already constipated people, don't take jambu. But in the market, Jamva Sav is available. It is from seeds. There is a difference in the pulp and seed. Jambu pulp will contain the sugar and it is very dangerous for the diabetic people. But Jambu bija, that is seed of the jamun fruit. Seed, try to understand. If you remove all the pulp, seed, crush it, grind it and make a powder. That is called as a Jamuna bija churna. Fine powder from jamun seeds is the best medicine for diabetes mellitus. Are you writing? Prameh, diabetes mellitus, best medicine, Jamuna bija churna. It's astringent. It removes the clay, the excessive moisture, excessive fat. Take it away. Sugar, take it away. So hypoglycemia will create. Jamuna bija churna. I mentioned here also Gudamar. Write down another name of the plant. This is not jambu. Gudamar churna. So if anybody takes Gudamara churna plus Jamuna bija churna to control the blood sugar, best. Best for every diabetic patient, my dear friend, use Jamuna bija churna, Gudamara churna. I know. That's why churnas consuming is very difficult. Patient response, patient compliance is very problematic. That's why Jamuna bija churna tablet or Ghanavati available, Gudamara Ghanavati available. Ghanavati tablet. Take 2 tablets of each 3 times in a day. But always under the supervision of doctor, because you should have the glucometer. Test your blood sugar pre and post. 80 to 120 normal blood sugar fasting. 80 to 140 milligram % is a range. Anything in between, normal. Diabetes mellitus. But always remember, ahara, vihara, aushadhi, control of the diet, regular walking exercise for 1 hour, and then this Gudamara or the Jamun bija churna. I remember very fantastic tablet, write down. Sharangdhar Pharmaceutical, Pune. Sharangdhar Pharmaceutical, Pune. They have manufactured or manufacturing tablet DBT. English, DBT. This DBT tablet contains Jamuna Bija Churna and Gudmar Churna with Shilajit, with Jasadabhasma. Fantastic tablet for diabetes mellitus. I have myself made a research and I have proved even in the insulin dependent people, they can try tablet DBT of Sharangdhar Pharmaceutical, Pune, to control their blood sugar, but I'm sorry, under the supervision of any Vaidya or the doctor. Not by self-medication, no. It's dangerous because hypoglycemia is very dangerous. If your blood sugar goes down, who is responsible? Okay. Then another Pushyanuga Churna. This is the powder for leukorrhea, pradara, white discharge. It contains Jamuna Bija Churna because it is astringent and absorbs the clade. Clade is a waste product at tissue metabolism. Will you please write down clade, waste product at tissue metabolism. 37, Jirak. Jirak, Jira, Jire in Marathi. Giraffe fry rice. We always eat giraffe fry rice. Cuminum, cyminum. Cumin seeds. CUMIN. Cumin seeds. Jirak. Paryay. Jirakaha, Jaranaha, Ajaji, Kana, Syat, Dirga Jirakaha. Krishna Jiraha, Sugandha. Chatatha eva Udgar Shodhanaha. Kalajaji tu Sushavi. Kalika ch Upakalika. Prithvika, Karavi, Prithvi, Prithu, Krishna, Upakunchika. Upakunchi cha kunchi cha Gruhat Jiraka ityapi Bhav Prakash Haritakyadi group. I am extremely sorry I cannot explain you each and every synonyms because this is we don't have the time. We have to concentrate on properties and functions. Properties and functions. Jiraka Tritayam Ruksham Katu Ushnam Deepanam Lagu Sangrahi Pitalam Medhyam Garbhashya Vishuddhikrit Dvaragnam Pachanam Purisham Balyam Richam Kafapaham Chakshisham Pavan Adman Gulma Chardi Atisarut. In the market you get Hingvashtak Churna which contains Jiraka. It is used for Agnimandya, weak digestive fire, loss of appetite, indigestion, gas in the stomach, excessive udgar, excessive downward passage of vayu, flatus, belching and flatus, belching and flatus, belching upward, flatus downward with little bit bad smell. Use Jirakadhyarishta. Jirakadhyarishta is also useful for Sutika Rog, puerperial problem. After delivery, successful pregnancy, that period, puerperial period, Sutika, you start Jirakadhyarishta for best metabolism. Okay. This is dry in nature. Katu, pungent is there, Ushna, hot, but not too hot, not like Asafoetida, not like mustard, no, it is hot. Spice, this is Indian spice used in the curry and vegetables for cooking. Deepana, stimulate the digestive fire. Lagu, light in nature. So, but little bit, if you have the peptic ulcer, hyperacidity, be careful because it can increase little bit pitta, not too much. Medhya, best for brain. Garbhashe Vishuddhi. You can clear after delivery, uterus will be most clean, no infection, no puerperial fever. Use Jirakadhyarishta. Jwaragnam, antipyretic. Pachana, carminative. Vrishya, aphrodisiac. Balya, increasing your strength by stimulating digestive fire. Rucha, test will increase. Kapha, excessive mucus is there in respiratory tract, digestive tract. Kleda is there. waste product is there, moisture is there, then it will clean. Strotorodha will be nullified. Pavana, it can control the Margavarodhajanya Vata Prako. Adman, tympanitis, gas in the stomach. Gulma, tumors. Chardi, vomiting, and Atisar, loose motion due to the indigestion. Use Hingvashtak Churna, very little, very little. Careful for peptic ulcer and hyperacidity. But anyway, otherwise, if you have the kapha predominance, indigestion, constipation, loss of appetite, Hingvashtak Churna best. Little, half spoon, small spoon with little bit honey and little bit. Best way is a cow's ghee. Hingvashtak Churna with cow's ghee. Okay, not with the honey. Jatamansi. Next plant. Nordostachys jatamansi. Paryay, synonyms. Jatamansim bhuta jata. Jatilacha tapovani. Bhav prakash. Karpuradi group. Guna karma, properties and function. Mausi tikta kashayacha medhya. Medhya. Kanti balaprada. Swadu hima. Tridosha astra dah visarpa pushta nut. Bhav prakash. Karpuradi group. In the market, Rakshogna Grit, medicated ghee with Jatamansi available for apasmara, epileptic fits. Pippaladhyasav, also used in the Grahani, enteritis and colitis, because it is sometimes psychosomatic disease. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, irritable bowel disease. After eating, immediately want to go to the toilet. Stools. This is irritation. Spastic colon. Very sensitive colon. Where you can cooling down your mind. Basically, this is three dosha nut. Can you see here? Three dosha. It acts on vata, pitta and kapha, balancing every dosha. Very good plant. As a brain tonic. Anti-stress management. Anti-stress management, who are working with the brain, teachers, business people, executives, corporate level, students. If you have the stress, family stress, society stress, working stress, business stress, economical stress, any stress, Jatamansi Ghanavati. Jatamansi Ghanavati, 2 tablets with milk at night. 2 tablets with milk at night. Buffalo milk, very good. Very cooling down, okay? Thick, bitter in taste, so it reduces the amapachana. Removes the ama, toxins like material. Cleans your brain. No rajoguna, no tamoguna, sattva guna will come up. Shanti, shanti, shanti with Jatamansi. Kashaya, astringent. Medhya, improve your intelligent quotient IQ. Kanti, skin texture will increase. Balaprada gives the strength, mental strength will increase. Swatu, hima, cooling nature. Because of the cooling nature, whenever there is a burning, dah, burning of the eyes, burning of the hands and feet, burning of the whole body, hot flushes in menopause. Menopause, after 45, after 40, the ladies stop their menses. Hormonal imbalance, and modern doctors prescribe HRT, hormonal replacement therapy. Why? Don't take it. Use this Jatamansi Ghanavati at the breakfast, 2 tablets every day. Hot flushes will go. Hot flushes of the menopause will go. In addition, you can use tablet Shatavari and tablet Ashwagandha for controlling menopausal problems. Okay? Visarpa, erysipelas, skin disease with pitta dominance. Kushta, many types of the skin diseases with the pitta predominant. Burning should be there, dryness should be there. Use Jatamansi Ghanavati. Tablet 39, Jati Phala, our food product. Meristica fragrans. Zaifar, in Marathi, Zaifar. We always, Maharashtrian people use it in a powder paste in the Srikhand, our sweet dish. Srikhand in Maharashtra. Srikhand. Okay, we use this Jati Phala. Little pinch of powder. Okay. Jati Phalam, Jati Kosham, Malati Phalam iti api. Bhava Prakash Harittakyadi. Gunakarma. Jati Phalam Rase Tiktam. Tikshna, Ushnam, Rochanam, Laghu. Katuka Deepana Grahi Swaryam. Shleshma Anilapaham. Nihanti Mukhavairasya. Maladaurgandhya Krishnataha. Krumi, Kas, Vami, Shwas, Shosh, Penis, Hrit, Rujaha. Bhava Prakash Harittakyadi group. Market products, Jati Phaladi Churna, used in Ruja motion. When little child, any person, you want the home remedy for loose motion, diarrhea, use Jati Phala, Zaifar. You have to make a paste by rubbing on the hard stone. On the hard stone, little water, and then mixed it with little bit honey and licking. Jaifarache churna, powder, fine powder of the jai. It's readily available in the market. Then Ghanavati is also available. Okay, so that will be useful to control Atisar means loose motion. Jati Phaladi Vati, Jati Phaladi Churna. Adi means etc. Churna means powder, Vati means tablet. Rasa Tikta, always bitter taste, Amapachak. Write down, bitter taste, Amapachak. It will remove the arm. It will clean the toxins from the body due to the indigestion. This is little bit tikshna. Ushna is also there. Rochana, it will increase your appetite because stimulants of digestive fire. Metabolic process will be stimulant. That's why we used in the Srikhanda. Srikhanda sweet dish in Maharashtra state. We want to digest that Srikhanda. That's why we add the little bit Zaifar. Katuka Deepana, appetizer, Grahi, it can control the secretions, excessive secretions. Swarya, good for our larynx and the vocal cords. Your voice will be good after taking Jati Phala. Shleshma and Anila, Vata and Kapha can be controlled. Margavarodhajanya, Vata Prakop will be controlled. Nihanti Mukhavairasya. When you lost your taste of the mouth, now this is the corona. In corona pandemic, the people say you lose your smell, you lose your taste. Indication of corona. Get it tested for corona. Lot of medicines are there, but this can be little bit, is not very specific for corona mukhavirus. I agree, but supportive you can use it. Okay. Kas, cough. Lot of cough is there. Vami, vomiting due to the indigestion. Shwas, lot of cough, expectoration, breathlessness. Kas, shosh. Shosh because of the arm. Weight loss is there. Okay. Penis, sinusitis. And Rudrujaha. There is a pain, anginal pain due to the cholesterol coating on the coronary arteries. You can use the little Jati Phala under the supervision of Vaidya. Karkatashrungi, Pistachia inti Jerima. Latin names are sometimes difficult. I understand. I know. But you can have the video again and again. You will remember. Karkatashrungi. Shrungi Karkatashrungi cha syat Kulira Vishanika. Ayashrungi cha chakra cha Karkatakhya cha kirtila. Synonyms. Few videos I will prepare because synonyms have the very interesting meaning. Bhava Prakash Haritakyadi Group. Gunakarma properties and functions. Shrungi Kashaya Tikta. Ushna Kafavata Kshaya Jwaran. Shwas Urdhuvat Tritka Sehika Aruchi Vamin Harit. Bhava Prakash Haritakyadi Group. Bala Chaturu Bhadra Churna. Very popular medicine for any type of children problem from the age of say 3 to 10 years. Pediatric problems of cough, of asthma, of diarrhea, of indigestion, use Bala Chaturu Bhadra Churna. Pediatric best medicine in Ayurveda. Bala Chaturu Bhadra Churna, it contains Karkatashrungi. Karkatashrungi basically for respiratory and digestive tract. Karkatashrungi respiratory and digestive tonic for margavarodhajanya vata prakop. Vata prakop is of two types. Vata gets vitiated. One, obstruction, margavarodhajanya. Second, dhatukshejanya, deficiency of rasa rakta mausamate asti majja shukra, any. Here, Karkata Shirungi is for margavarodhajanya vata prakop, so kapha vata problem, because it is bitter, amapachak, ushna, hot, kapha vata kshaya. So, cold and cough and fever. Cold, cough, fever. CCF in GP. I always make this joke or interesting slogan. CCF in hospital is congestive cardiac failure. CCF in GP, cold, cough, fever. Cold, cough, fever, Karkata Shirungi. CCF of Shwas, breathlessness. Urdhva, constipation, indigestion, and belching is there. Urdhva. Trit, Trishna, but there should be indigestion and excessive thirst. Especially jwara, fever, is rasa samata is there. In rasa dhatu there is and the person gets the excessive thirst. Kas, with indigestion, with cough, hiccup, aruchi, anorexia, vami, vomiting due to indigestion. Use the Karkata Shirungi, okay? Chavanaprash, best tonic with amala jam. It contains Karkata Shirungi because Chavanaprash is a general tonic but more specific for respiratory tract. All the asthmatic patient, all the corona patient, you want to prevent the corona? Take a Chyawanprash 2 teaspoons every day morning. Take it, Chyawanprash. Do the pranayam. Regular, every day without fail. Mask, sanitization, social distancing. Don't worry about corona. Karanja, Pongamia pinnata. Karanjo naktamalaha cha karanjaha chirabilvajaha. Ghrutapurno karanjo anyaha prakiryaha putikaha apicha. Sacha uktaha putikaranjaha. Somavalkalaha cha smrutaha. Bhav prakash guduchadi gana. Group. Bhav prakash gunakarma. Karanjaha katukaha tikshno virya ushnaha. Yoni doshrut kushtha udavar gulma arsha vrana krimi kafapaha. Karanja taila is available when kapha predominant visarva. Any skin disease with kapha predominance, lot of itching is there, lot of secretions are there, then you use the Karanja. Dandruff is there, then fungal infection is there, use the Karanja. Karanja tail is the best medicine for many skin diseases. Karanja tail, very good. Karanja ghruta, medicated ghee for kandugna, anti-itching with the skin diseases. Because this is basically hot. Karanja is hit and hot. Tikshna, ushna. But yoni dosh. What is yoni dosh? Many gynecological problems. Yoni dosha means many gynecological problems, like for example, trichomonal vaginitis. Then all types of monilial vaginitis. In any vaginal kapha predominant problem, white discharge, leukorrhea, use Karanja internally and externally. Karanja Ghanavati is also available. Yoni dosha, gynecological problems with kapha predominance. Pain in abdomen, lower abdomen. That is what we call as a premenstrual syndrome. Because of the congestion, use the Karanja. But there should not be Pitta Prakriti, Pitta dominance disease. Kushta, skin diseases with kapha dominance. Udavarta, Pratilomagati of Vata dosh. Constipation is there, indigestion is there, and you get the vomiting. You get the belching, you get the hiccup. That is Udavarta. Gulma, tumors. Arsha, piles without bleeding. Dry piles. Hemorrhoid, use the Karanja. Vrana, infected wounds. Krimi, parasites, roundworm, threadworm, hookworm. Kapha, paha. It will relieve the excessive cough. 42. Kapikachu, Macuna prurita, Khazkuili in Marathi, Khazkuili. Kapikachu. Kapikachu Atmagupta Vrusha, Prokta Markati, Ajada, Kandura, Vyanga, Tisparsha, Pravrushayani, Langali, Shukashimbi, Chesaprokta, Maharshibi. Bhava Prakash, Guruchadi group. Gunakarma, properties and functions. Kapikachu, Bhusham Vrusha, Madhura, Bruhani, Guru, Tikta, Vatahari, Balya, Kafapitta, Astranashani. Bhava Prakash, Vanari Gutika, market product. Vanari Gutika is excellent sex tonic. Excellent. Number 1, Crown Chapak. Vrusha means aphrodisiac. Male and female. If you want to perform your sexual activity more in an ethical and good manner, use the Kapikachu product like Vanari Gutika, Crown Chapak. Infertility cases. Oligoduspermia, aduspermia, less sperm count. Kapikachu, Kapikachu. ED, erectile dysfunction. No erection of the penis for intercourse. Kapikachu, Ghanavati, Vanari Gutika, Crown Chapak is for you. Infertility, ED and libido. Loss of libido, loss of sex desire. Use Kapikachu because Bhusham Vrusha. Vrusha means aphrodisiac, sex tonic. Because sweet. Bruhani, anabolic. Anabolic type of activity, giving you the strength, muscle strength. Guru, nourishment. Guru means nourishment. Tikta, amapachana, bitter intestine. Vatahari, control the vata. Dhatukshejanya vata. Because it is Balya and Madhura. Dhatukshejanya vata prakop. Weight loss is there. No stamina, no energy. Kapikachu. Balya, strength giving. Kapha, Pitta, controlling. And Astra, bleeding problems. It will control the bleeding problem. Astra Nashini. Anti, blood purifier. Blood purifier. Kapikachu. Giving the strength to the Rakta Dhatu. Astra means Rakta. Kanchanar. Bauhinia variegata. Kanchanar. Kanchanaraha. Kanchanako Gandarihi. Shonapushpakaha. Ovidaraha cha marikaha. Kuddalo yugapatrakaha. Kundali Tamrapushpaha cha Ashmantakaha. Swalpakeshari. Bhava Prakash. Every slok from Bhava Prakash. Don't forget, my students. Write it down your reference as a Bhava Prakash. Guruchadi group. Gunakarma, properties and functions. Kanchanaro himo grahi tuaraha. Shleshma pitta nut. Krumi kashta vidabhransha. Gandamala. Vranapaha. Ovidaraha api tadvat syat. Tayoho pushpam lagusmrutam. Ruksham sangrahi. Pitta astra pradara. Shaya kasanut. Kanchanar Gukulu. Very, very famous medicine. Very popular. Kanchanar Gugulu, Kanchanar Ghanavati, Kanchana Gutika for Ganda or Gandamala, swelling of lymph glands. Please write down. Kanchanar Gulu is best for any type of tumor, any type of lymph gland enlargement, tonsillitis. Kanchanar Gugulu with Triphala Gugulu in high dose. No operation. Kanchanar Gugul 3 tablets morning, afternoon, evening. 3-3-3. Adult. Triphala Gugul 3-3-3. Tonsil gone. It is used thyroid problem, enlargement of the thyroid. Tuberculosis and cervical lymphadenopathy. Use Kanchanar Gugulu because it is little bit cooling in effect, gives the nourishment, absorbs the clay, the grahi, shleshma, pitta and kapha, they are making balanced. Krumi, anti-worm. bacterial infection, fungal infection, viral infection, krumi, every, not only hookworm and tapeworm, not only threadworm, every type of infection, microorganisms means krumi in Ayurveda. Kushta, any type of skin diseases with lot of secretions are there, burning is there, Gudabhransh, rectal prolapse, Gandamala, cervical lymphadenitis, thyroid problem, Vrana, septic, sepsis, infected wound, Kanchan are best. Then Sandrahi controls the clade, Pitta and Astra controls the Pitta dosh and blood. Excessive bleeding controlled. Pradara, white discharge in the females, leukorrhea, Kshaya, tuberculosis, cough. So glands, cough, and tuberculosis can be controlled by Kanchanar Gugulu as a supportive medicine, not for self-medication. It may be supportive to the modern drugs or it may be independent drug, depends on doctor and Vaidya. Khadira, Acacia catechu. Khadiro Raktasaraha ch Gayatri Dantadhavanaha, Kantaki Balapatraha cha Bahushalyaha cha Yajniya. Bhava Prakash, Vatadi group, Vatadi. Gunakarma, properties and functions. Khadiraha Shitalo Dantyaha Kandu Kas Aruchi Pranut. Tiktaha Kashayo Medognaha Krimi Meha Jara Vranan. Shvitra Shoth Am Pitta Astra Pandu Kushta Kafan Haret. Kalpa Khadirarishta, very famous for many skin diseases. Khadir number 1 for skin diseases. Khadiradi Vati, best for cough. Cough with expectoration, wet cough. Khadiradi Vati for Achushana, sucking purpose. Khadiradi Vati. Khadiradi and Lavangadi Vati for wet cough. Eladi Vati for dry cough, for sucking purpose. Don't use Strepsil. Strepsil is good, but I will recommend Ayurvedic drugs for lozenges. Khadiradivati, lozenges. Ayurvedic. Lavangadivati, lozenges. LOZDNGS. My students, keep this point in your mind. Okay? This is Shitala. So Dantya means it will make the strongs your teeth. It is very useful to control the itching, pruritus of skin diseases. Kasa with cough. Aruchi, loss of appetite due to indigestion. Tiktaras, always I am saying Amapachak, antipyretic, antipruritic. Tiktaras, bitter taste, antipyretic, fever will come. Anti-itching, pruritic. And Ama dosha will remove. Ama will cleansing effect, detoxification effect. Kashaya, astringent, Tikta and Kashaya takes the clay out of your body. Excessive moisture, waste product during the tissue metabolism. That's why you get the diabetes mellitus. You get the worm infection. You get the obesity. So Khadira is best for obese people, any microorganism infection, diabetes mellitus, and jwara, fever with infection. Shvitra, leukoderma, white patches on the skin. Shoth, edema, hepatic edema, renal edema, cardiac edema. Khadira, Ama, Pitta, Astra, rectification, cleansing of the blood. Okay? Pandu, anemia. Kushta, skin diseases, and Kafan Haret. So this is the best, Khadira is the best and popular medicine in Ayurveda. Kushmand, best tonic, anabolic. Benin Kaisa Hispida, Kohra. In Marathi, Kohra. Kushmand. Kushmandam Syat Pushpaphalam, Pita Pushpam Bruhat Phalam. Bruhat Phalam. Bhava Prakash, Shaka Varga is included in the vegetables. Shaka vegetables. Kushmandam, Bruhanam, Vrisham, Guru. Pitta, Astra, Vata, Nut. Balam, Pittapaham, Sheetam, Madhyamam, Kafakarakam. Vruddham, Na Atihimam, Swadu, Saksharam, Deepanam, Lagu. Basti Shuddhikaram, Cheto Rogarut, Sarvadoshajit. Sarvadoshajit, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, everything will be under control by this best tonic. Kushmanda Pak is available in the market. Kushmanda Kava Leha is available in the market. Rakta Pitta means bleeding disorders. But I will suggest, my dear friends, this is the best medicine, Kushmanda Kava Leha, Kushmanda Pak, for any degenerative problem, any autoimmune disease problem, any Vata, Pitta, Dhatu, Kshejanya Vata Prakop. Weight loss is there, cancer, tuberculosis, HIV, malnutrition, undernutrition. Again, I repeat, catabolic, body is degenerating, weight loss is there, tiredness, fatigue is there, heat is there, burning is there. Oh my God, oh, I can live now. Kushmanda is there. Kushmanda is there. Don't worry, start immediately. When you have the weight loss and burning, Vata Pitta problem, Dhatu Kshejanya Vata Prakop, cancer, tuberculosis, HIV, and undernourishment. Bring Kushmanda Kavalaya, breakfast, big spoon of, it's like a food, best food supplement. Don't go for protein supplement. Don't go for vitamin supplement. Ayurveda is there, Kushmanda Kavalaya. Because Bruhana, it will definitely increase your weight and physical strength and mental strength also. Mental strength, cooling, any bleeding, epistaxis, bleeding from nose, hematemesis, bleeding from peptic ulcer, bleeding from tuberculosis. Then bleeding hookworm, bleeding in the intestines, hematuria, bleeding in the urine, bleeding piles, bleeding per rectum, bleeding per vagina, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, heavy menses, Kushmanda, control. The lady is very weak, anemic is lady, thin is, and lot of bleeding is going on. Even in the miscarriages, even to prevent the abortion, take Kushmanda Kavale. Okay? Vrishya, aphrodisiac, sex tonic is there. Guru, nourishing. Guru means use the nutrition, weight. Pitta, astra, heat of the pitta will reduce, heat of the blood will be reduced, and vata, dhatu kshejanya vata prakop will be controlled. Okay? Shita, cooling effect. Madhyama kafakaraka, it will not increase the cough, don't worry. Na ati himam, where it is not too cold, okay? Swadu, tasty. Sakshara, deepanam, it also improves the digestion, metabolism. Basti shuddhi, urinary tract infection. Burning micturition, Kushmanda Kavale. Chetorog, brain tonic. Whenever there is a stress, you get hit in your brain, a very angry person, very angry. Doctor, what I can do? I cannot control my anger. I am always hot-tempered. Hot-tempered people, Kushmanda Kavale. Hot-tempered people, husband or wife, Kushmanda Kavale. Try it for 6 months, 1 year, don't worry. Definitely there will be cooling. Anti-stress, anxiety will go, depression will go, because this is nourishing to the brain and mind. Emotions will improve. Love will be there. Kushmanda. Okay? Kushtha. Sauseria lepa. Sauseria lepa. Kushtam rogat vayam vapyam paribhavyam tatha utpalam. Bhav Prakash Nigantu Aritakyadi. Kushtha plant. This is the part. Kushtha, don't get confused. Don't get confused, my dear friends, my dear viewers. Kushtha is a name of disease. Kushtha is a name of plant. Two things are different. Kushtha disease means not leprosy. Kushtha in Ayurveda means many skin diseases. And this is, we are talking about herb or medicinal plant. The name is Kushtha also. Don't get confused. Okay? Kushtam, Kushnam, Katuswadu, Shukralam, Tiktakam Lagu, Hanti, Vata, Astra, Visarpa, Kasa, Kushta, Amaruk, Kafan. Bhav Prakash Haritakyadi Gun, Devadarvyadi Kwath is available. which contains the kushta. Kumar Kalyan Ghrita is available, which contains the kushta. Now, how is the kushta? Kushta is hot. Kushta is a spicy, pungent, katu. Little bit sweet, but basically these tests are there. So again, this is useful for obstruction, stagnation, to remove, to detoxification. Kushtha herb is for cleaning your body because it is laghu, it is ushna, it is spicy. That's why hanti vat. Which vat? Two types of prakop, dhatukshaijanya and margavarodhajanya. This will be useful for margavarodhajanya vata prakop, not for dhatukshaijanya. So astra, it is an antibiotic for blood, antiseptic. Visarpa with kapha predominance, erysipelas. Kasa with wet cough, cough, not dry. Kushta, all skin diseases with itching and secretions. Ama, whenever there is a toxin, indigestion, kushta will clear. Kafan, kapha will be balanced. Okay, so this is anti-kapha, kapha vat, margavarodhajanya vata prakop, cleansing effect with kushta. Kutaj, Polarina antidysenterica. Polarina antidysenterica. कुडा in Marathi, कुड्याचं पाळ. कुड्याचं पाळ, कुटज. Name, very interesting name, antidysenterica. Control the loose motion, dysentery, diarrhea. Anti, opposite. कुटजः, कुटजः कौटो, वत्सको गिरिमल्लिका. कलिंगकः शक्रशाखी च मल्लिका पुष्प इत्यादि. इंद्रो यवफलः, प्रोक्तो वृषकः पांडुरद्रुमः. भावप्रकाश गुरुच्चादि ग्रुप. Properties and functions. गुणकर्म. कुटजः कटुको रुक्षो दीपनः तुवरो हिमः अर्ष अतिसार पित्त अस्त्र कफ तृष्णा आम कुष्ठ नुत. भावप्रकाश गुरुच्चादि. Market very readily available and very popular. Kutaj is very popular. Kutaja Ghanavati. You please, my dear friends, please bring this tablet at your home. Please, Chaitanya Pharmaceutical Ghanavati. Kutaja Ghanavati is readily available in the market of Chaitanya Pharma, or search on the internet. But this is the best home remedy for controlling diarrhea, normal diarrhea, indigestion. I am not talking about diarrhea due to the HIV, diarrhea due to the tuberculosis. No. Simple. One day, you try for 1 or 2 days, then go to the doctor. But Kutaja Ghanavati, if you feel that 4 or 5 times I have to run, immediate acute condition is there, then take 2 tablets 3 times in a day with warm water. Kutaja Ghanavati, best medicine to control loose motion. Because of because of the gastroenteritis or gastro disease, food contamination, water pollution, infection in the intestine, controlled by Kutaja Ghanavati. Or there is also one tablet, Kutaja Parpati Vati. Kutaja Parpati Vati. Vati means tablet. I hope you are writing. You are taking my notes. No? Take it. Very interesting. Nobody will explain in a very simple this type of language. So Kutaja Ghanavati is the best home remedy according to Ayurveda. Okay, so it is used for controlling loose motion. But there are also other uses. It is Amapachak. Katuko Ruksho. Ruksha is dryness. It absorbs excessive moisture, excessive abnormal water content. But also same time it is cooling in nature. That's why it is used whenever there is a burning. Pittaja Atisar. Pittaja Atisar. Bleeding is there. You can use Kutaja. Okay. Pitta problem. Burning of the rectal region, anal region, and diarrhea. Best Kutaja. Kapha, it also controls remove the excessive clay, the kapha. Trishna. Whenever there is a loose motions and you get the thirst, that can also be controlled. Amapachak. And Kushtha, whenever there are skin problems with burning and itching, always use the Kutaja. No problem. Okay. Kupilu. Strychnus nux vomica. Kuchla in Marathi. Kuchla. Kupilu. Tinduko yastu kathito jalado दीर्घपत्रकाः, कुपिलुः कुलकाः, काकतिन्दुकाः, काकपिलुकाः, काकेन्दुः, विषतिन्दुः च तथा मर्कटतिन्दुकाः. I am going to take different lectures, videos on synonyms. Then we will enjoy. Now we will concentrate on Gunakarma. Bhava Prakash Guduchadi Group. Kupiluhu Sheetalam Tiktam Vatalam Madakrit Laghu. Param Vyathaharam Grahi Kafapitta Astranashanam. Okay? Bhava Prakash Guduchadi. In the market you get Vishatindukavati for Vataroga and Agnitundivati for Agnimandya. This Vishatindukavati contains Kupilu. Agnitundivati contains Stickness Nakswamika, that is Kupilu. This is basically acting on the Vata dosh. How? Because it improves the muscle tone and muscle strength. Please write down. Kupilu act on the Maunsa Dhatu. It will strengthen your this forceps muscles, deltoid, bicep, tricep, sphincters, gastric sphincter, bladder sphincters. Tone of the muscle will improve. The functioning action of the muscles will improve. So any neurological problems affecting the Maunsa Dhatu, neuromuscular junction, when it is affected, use Kupilu. Neuromuscular junction. It may be myasthenia gravis. It may be multiple sclerosis, because this is Vyathaharam. The diseases created by Vata dosha. Okay? Grahi. It controls the moisture. It controls the movement regulation. If there are excessive movement, irregular movements, nerve conduction, nerve impulse is not proper, Kupilu will recorrect that conduction. Okay? Kapha, Pitta controlled, and Astra, bleeding problems will be also controlled. Astranashanam. Okay? Tiktaras is Amapachak, Sheetala is a little bit cooling type of activity. When there are excessive stimulation, that stimulation will be controlled. Excessive tremors, it can be controlled by Kupilu. Tremors can. But I am sorry, it cannot be very much useful for myasthenia gravis. No. Whenever there is excessive or irregular type of the neurological conduction, then Kupilu can be tried. So neurological problems, epileptical problems, or especially we are using this Vishatindukavati. I already had a video on that. Bed waiting, nocturnal enuresis. At night, the child is passing, 6-year child, 7-year child, 8-year child, 10-year child, passing the urine at night in the bed. That is because sphincter control is not there. Then we are using Vishatindukavati. Sometimes there are cramps in the abdomen. IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Spastic colon, sensitive colon. We use the Agnitundivati. Are you getting my point? Muscle and nerves. Kupilu. Kiratatikta. Swarshya chirata. Kiratatikta. Kade chirait in Marathi. Kiratatiktaha kairataha katutiktaha kiratakaha. Bhava Prakash Haritakyadi group. Kandatiktaha. Anaryatiktaha bhunimbo ram senakaha. Kiratakaha anyo naipalaha. So ardhatiktaha jvarantakaha. Kirataha sarakaha. Rukshaha sheetalaha tiktakaha laghu. Sannipata jvara. Shwasa, Kapha, Pitta, Astra, Dah, Nit, Kasa, Shotha, Trisha, Kushtha, Jvara, Vrana, Krumi, Pranut. These are all the indications. Mahasudarshana Churna, best for Jvara or fever or pyrexia. Pancha Tiktakatvat, also used in the Jvara. Tiktaras is the best medicine, best test for Amapachana. Bitter is always, although it is not for here. You don't like the bitter. But when you take inside, that is cleaning, detoxification of your body. Amapachana is there. Antipyretic. Personal Dr. Deshpande is very much favor. He likes much Maha Sudarshana Ganavati. Can I request all of you? You bring Vaidyanath company, Maha Sudarshana Ganavati, and any type of fever. If you want symptomatic relief, viral fever, bacterial fever, pneumonia, corona, tuberculosis, typhoid, any fever, as a first aid treatment. First aid. I'm not saying all the treatment, but Maha Sudarshana Ganavati, you should have always in your home. Or somebody can bring Maha Sudarshana Kadha. Liquid is also available. Who like liquid, they take Maha Sudarshana Kadha. Who like in your family tablet, they take a tablet. But whenever you feel little bit temperature, kankan vatye, a very mild type of the feverish, start immediately Maha Sudarshana Ganavati. 3 tablets at a time, 3 times in a day, adult dose. 3 tablets morning, afternoon, evening with warm water. Best antipyretic. It will definitely reduce your fever. It's as powerful as like your paracetamol, crocin, calpol, dolar. Same like Ayurvedic Mahasurashan Ganavati. Every house should have this tablet. Believe on Dr. Deshpande. Please believe. After paracetamol, some patients get the weakness, but you will not get the weakness because of the Mahasudarshana Ganavati Kirata Tikta. It is bitter in taste. This is a phenomenon. But then Jwarantaka, it will antipyretic, anti-fever. Jwara means fever. Saraka, it will be best stools in the morning, no constipation. Ruksha takes away the kledha. Dryness means not the normal. Kledha will take away. Waste products will be absorbed. Viral toxins will be absorbed. Shitalaha, cooling in nature. Tiktaka, lagu, jwara, fever. Shwas, breathlessness in the fever, in the corona. Kapha, cough with expectoration. Pitta, acidity. Astra, bleeding problems. Hot blood is there. Bleeding disorders there. Dah, burning sensation in the fever. Kas, cough. Shoth, edema. Tusha, excessive thirst. Kushta, all types of skin diseases. Jwara, vrana, antiseptic. Infected wounds, diabetic wounds will be cleared. Mahasudarshan Ganavati. Krumi, any krumi. Roundworm, threadworm, tapeworm, but bacteria, viruses, fungi, that is krumi according to Ayurveda. So this is best antibiotic, antiseptic, antipyretic. Kirat Tikta Ganavati. Mahasudarshana Ganavati. Please try it. Kantakari. Solanum xanthocarpum. Kantakar. Kantakari to dusparsha kshudra vyadhi nidigdhika. Kantalika kantakini dhavani bruhati tatha. Bhavaprakash Gudachadi group. Kantakari saratikta. Katuka deepani lagu. Ruksha ushna pachani. Kasa shwasa jwara kafa anilan. Nihanti pinasam parshvapida krumi rudha amayan. Amaya means disease. Gudachad. Best product for respiratory problems. Vyagri Haritaki Avaleh. Jam is available in the market with Kantakari. Kantakari Ganavati also available. Kantakari Ganavati, no problem. But you can bring the Kantakarya Avaleh. Very popular Kantakarya Avaleh for acute and chronic cough problem. Acute and chronic respiratory problems, Kantakarya Valeha with Kantakari. Sara, because it clears the stagnation. Tikta, Amupachak. Bitter, always Amupachak, cleansing the toxins. Detoxification with Tikta Rasa. Katuka, spice, little bit spice, remove the cough. Deepani, appetizer, carminative. Lagu, cleansing effect. Ruksha, dryness, taking the moisture, clay, cough, take it away. Toxins, taking away. Ruksha, okay. Ushna, phagocytic action. Ushna, phagocytic, cleaning the bacteria. Pachani, carminative. Kasa, cough with expectoration. Shwasa, breathlessness. Not only asthma, any breathlessness. Jwara with upper respiratory tract infection, URTI, LRTI, lower respiratory tract infection, Kantakari Ghanavati. Don't forget it. Kapha and Anila. Vayu is obstructed because of the kapha. Margavarodhajanyavata prakop in respiratory tract, Kantakari. Okay. Nihanti, destroy, cure, penis, sinusitis. Parshvapida, Parshvashul, pleurisy, tubercular pleural effusion, Kantakari, Kantakaryavale. In addition to the AKT, anti-cox treatment, you must give Kantakaryavale. Krumi, not only abdominal krumi, they are there, tapeworm, hookworm, threadworm, but in addition, bacterial toxin, viral toxin, fungal toxin. Rudra Amayan, all the diseases of heart with congestion, CCF, congestive cardiac failure. Okay, then pleural edema, cardiac asthma, Kantakari Ghanavati with warm water. My dear friends, we are, Deshpande is explaining not only shloka with discussion, medicinal plant utility, medicinal plant properties with synonyms. This is the part 3. Please don't forget to see previous 2 parts, part 1 and part 2 of shloka and discussion of medicinal herbs, part 1, part 2. This is part 3 up to the 50. Next time, another discussions will continue. Till that time, I wish you all the best. Please take good care of yourself. Wish you happy, healthy, and long life. And also, request by folding my hands. Please, what you can do, share my videos to your all the friends. Write me mail, write me feedback over there on the YouTube. Thumbs up, like, suggestions, okay? And also, don't forget to ask your friends to subscribe my YouTube channel because that gives me the energy. That gives me the energy. Thank you very much. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop sharing. End of the video and bye.